For years, Samsung's fold phones felt unfinished. Not broken, not bad, just incomplete. The displays were incredible, the engineering was insane, but every single generation had the same problem. Cameras never matched the price. You were paying flagship money and still making compromises, and Samsung knew it. With the Galaxy Z Fold 8, that excuse finally dies. According to Galaxy Club, Samsung is finally upgrading the fold cameras properly. 200 megapixel camera stays, and that's already ultra level hardware, no complaints there. But the real story is the ultra wide. Samsung is jumping from a weak 12 megapixel sensor to a whopping 50 megapixel ultra wide lens, the same class of camera coming to the S26 Ultra as well. That alone changes how the fold shoots landscape, videos and low light scenes. The 3x telephoto also gets an upgrade jump from 10 megapixel on Z Fold 7 to 12 megapixel on Z Fold 8, exactly what the Fold lineup was missing. Cameras on the inner screen stay the same as 10 megapixel and same for the cover display, and which also confirms Samsung is done experimenting with under display cameras for now. And honestly, that's fine. Reliability matters more than gimmicks. Now this is where the Galaxy Fold 8 story gets interesting. Samsung is working on a wider version of Z Fold 8, not a cheaper model, not a fan edition, a full flagship fold with a wider cover display and a more usable inner screen. This will be pretty similar to the Pixel Fold, which is also wide and have rounded corners. Leaks suggest that wider fold will share the same upgraded ultra wide camera, which tells us one thing: Samsung isn't cutting corners here. This is a serious device, and this won't be a surprise if this device actually comes out, because Apple is launching their foldable phone next year, and a few CAD renders have shown this similar wider design of iPhone foldable. So Samsung might get their version of wide foldable phone to compete with Apple. The Z Fold 8 is expected to jump to a 5000 mAh of battery, same as of S26 Ultra. Charging speeds are reportedly moving to 45 watts, and the wireless charging is getting proper G 2.2 support with the real magnetic alignment finally, same like the iPhones, and a less visible crease, anti-reflective coating on the cover screen and better durability, and suddenly the fold does not feel fragile anymore, it feels mature. And here is the interesting part: Samsung recently ran a survey and showed multiple foldable concepts and also showed this wide kind of foldable. Now Samsung always use actual images in surveys. The design looks really stunning even if we compare it with the Z Fold 8, but again it was in survey, can't guarantee that this device will be official, but things are getting heated up in foldable industry, so who knows. That's all for now. Drop your thoughts in the comment section below. Would you go for Z Fold 8 or Z Fold 8 wide? Make sure to like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.